Lesson number 33. Let's measure capacity. Children, capacity means the ability to hold. So, in which objects or vessel that are filled with more liquid substances such as water, oil, etc. There is a bucket of water in our house. And there is a bowl or glass for drinking milk. Yes or no? Then, tell which vessel holds more water, in a glass or bucket? Right. Bucket holds more water than glass. This means that hold more water in the bucket. Means bucket's capacity more than glass and the capacity of glass is less. See, here are some vessels such as bowl, glass, bucket, tumbler and a mug. Tell me, if you want to fill the water in it, which vessel contains more water? Right. Bucket will hold more water because the capacity of bucket is more than all other vessels. And tell, which vessel holds less water in all? Yes, bowl holds less water in all because the bowl is smallest. So that capacity is less. Capacity is measured in millimeter and liter. Now, let's look at another example. This is water drum and this is bucket. Let's tell whose capacity is more. Right, drum is big. That's why capacity of drum is more. Collect vessels of various shapes from your kitchen and check out their capacity.